welcome to JK Knowledge. Friends, today we'll discuss the classification of organic compounds. Friends, carbon has a unique property that is catenations. For that reason, carbon easily forms covalent bond with other carbon atoms and some other atoms that is nitrogen, hydrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and halogen groups. For that reason, which compound contain carbon atom easily form the covalent bonds. For that reason, which compound contain carbon atoms we study with a separate part of a chemistry, that is branch of a chemistry, that is organic chemistry. Let's try to understand the classification of organic compounds. Friends, we mainly divided this organic compound. One is acyclic or open chain compound, and other is cyclic and closed chain compound. Friends, this acyclic compound is also called as aliphatic compound. And this cyclic compound is also called as ring compound. Friends, this acyclic compound consists of a straight chain or branch chain compounds containing carbon atom. For example, this is a straight chain carbon atom carbon compound. This is a branch chain carbon compound. Friends, this is cyclic or closed chain compound or ring chain compound. Friends, this compound containing carbon atoms in the form of a ring. One is alicyclic compound and other is aromatic compound. Friends, this alicyclic compound is further subdivided into two parts, that is homocyclic compound and heterocyclic compound. Friends, this homocyclic compound containing carbon atom in the form of a ring. For example, This is cyclohexane. Friends, but in case of a heterocyclic compound, sometimes atoms present in the other than carbon atom present in the ring is called heterocyclic compound. Other than carbon atom also present in the ring called heterocyclic compound. For example, this is tetrahydrofuran. This aromatic compound is further subdivided into three parts, that is, first is benzoate compound, second is non-benzoate compound, and third is heterocyclic aromatic compound. First is benzoate compound, second is non-benzoate compound, third is heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic aromatic compound. Friends, this aromatic compound is subdivided, that is benzoate compound, non-benzoate compound, and heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Friends, this aromatic compound must contain the sp2 hybridized carbon atom and a planar structures and simply obey the Huckel's rules. Friends, Huckel's rule state that a compound must be a aromatic compound must be a cyclic conjugated species and having 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Friends, this all three compounds as contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons and simply obey the Huckel's rules and show aromaticity and also called the aromatic compound. But in case of a benzoate compound, for example of benzoate compound, that is benzene, toluene, aniline, etc. Friends, you clearly see this benzene compound contain 3 single bond and 3 double bond and a planar structures and 6 member ring, 6 carbon containing cyclic ring. But in case of a non-benzoate compound, this compound obey the Huckel's rules and show aromaticity, but this compound did not show the behavior of these benzoate compounds. For examples, friends, you clearly see in these structures, this compound contain 2 to 4 to 6 pi electrons and a conjugated species. So this compound show aromaticity and is also a aromatic compound. But this compound is not a benzonaide compound. Friends, this is hectocyclic aromatic compound. Friends, this compound is also show the aromaticity and simply obey the Huckel's rules. For examples, friends, this is spirol, and this is pyridine. Friends, you clearly see in these structures, this compound contain 4n plus 2 pi electron. This compound is also called a aromatic compound. But friends, you clearly see in carbon place another atom is present, that is nitrogen atom. So this compound is called heterocyclic aromatic compound. Friends, this is the classification of aromatic compounds. Friends, in our next lectures, we discuss the nomenclature of aliphatic compound, that is acyclic compound or open chain compound. Friends, this lecture is helpful. Please share with your friends and subscribe, like, press the bell icon for more update. Thank you so much.